This is a mini album kit that I made that's going up in my shop tonight. It has this beautiful, beautiful, fluffy fabric that I got at Joann's. It's a baby fur. It's supposed to be like little circles of flowers, I guess. It is just so soft and cute. And this is just a white plain book. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, well, 10 places to put pictures, and it has all the appliqués and PeterRabbit appliqués to add on to it. Pink, blue, beige. Has a lot of little embellishments and medallions, and show you the papers that are coming in this one. I have 2 of these. They're made the same but with different pages. These are the pages, the paper for the mini album. So you get 10 pages because there's 10 places to add photos. You get the medallions and the crochet images and 2 PeterRabbit appliques, 3 teapots, and you get 2 of these. These are just the PeterRabbit head. And you get 1 in pink as well as the blue, and I think the pink fell on the floor. But this is this kit, and it's gonna have a lot of other little chipboard pieces and stuff. It's just I didn't take them out. So if you want to see the details of what's coming with this kit, you have to visit my Etsy shop. That's Crafty Kim shop over on Etsy, and you'll see the rest of the embellishments that are coming along with this soft and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful little book. It's so lightweight. It feels so soft. I could just touch this all day. So please check out my Etsy shop. That's where you'll find this listed. Thank you for watching.